How to log in Danske Bank online banking account. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, simply type in www.danskebank.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, you will see an option that says Log On. Click onto it. Then choose if it's your personal e-banking or business. Also choose your country. Once you do so, you will see a small interface like this. Here simply type in your user ID. Once done, tap onto Continue. At the next page, you will be required to enter your password. Once you do so, you will get logged into your account if your credentials are correct. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.